Kia ora koutou, welcome back to another skipping tutorial. My name's Sasha, and today I'm going to teach you about side swings. Okay, side swings, again, we don't really have to jump. I'm going to give a couple of different levels here though, so I'll show you what they look like. This is a basic sort of side swing. Okay, so see, I'm not jumping, I'm just standing and I'm drawing circles along the side of my body, moving in a figure eight. Okay, let's break that down a little bit. This is level one. If you find the switching of sides that I just did then a little bit tricky, and it can be, then all we're going to do is stay on one side. So we come out to the side, we've got our handles together, we're just drawing circles as if there's a wall along this side and we're drawing a big circle on it. And that's all we need to do for level one, and then we can switch sides. Going forwards, we're moving the rope forwards. If we want to go backwards, again, some kids find it a bit easier to go backwards. That's all good. Same thing. Okay, level two is where we're going to switch it. So we go out to the side and we're switching sides. So watch the loop of the rope on this one. So see, I'm sweeping it down and up to the sky, and that's when I change the side of my body. So switch, up, switch, up, switch, up, switch. So when it's up at the sky is when I'm moving it to the other side of my body. That's level two. Level three, if you're finding that a bit easy, we're going to open out into a basic jump. So we might go like this. Swing, swing, open. Okay, again. Swing, swing, open. If you're finding that open is a little bit tricky, what we want to do is we swing this side and swing this side. See how my hand that goes across my body is on top of that arm? That's going to help us open out nicely so we can jump through that loop. Where it gets a little bit tricky is if that one's kind of underneath and then the rope's going to kind of cross, and it's going to make it a bit tricky. So arm that comes across the body goes on top, swing open. That's a little bit harder. So if you're a bit older, that one might be good for you. Let's have a little look at the levels in slow-mo. There you go, 3 different levels of side swings. Keep practicing them, start at level 1 and then work your way up. Good luck, ka kite.